Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify complex computer concepts for beginners. In today's video, we'll explore user interface, number systems and conversions, and data structures and data types. So let's dive right in. User interface, or UI, is how we interact with computers. There are several types of user interfaces, each with its own unique characteristics. The most common ones include GUI, you can call it GUI, Graphical User Interface. This is the familiar interface you see on your computer screen with icons, windows, and menus. It allows you to interact with the computer using visual elements. CLI, Command Line Interface. This interface relies on text commands you type into a terminal or command prompt. It's often used by developers and power users for precise control over computer functions. Menu-driven interface. This interface represents a series of menus and options for users to navigate and make selections. It's commonly found in software applications and mobile devices. Voice recognition interface. With advancements in technology, voice recognition interfaces enable users to interact with computers using spoken commands. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are examples of this interface. Now let's talk about number systems and conversions. Computers understand and process information using binary code, which consists only of two digits, 0 and 1. This is known as the binary number system. In everyday life, we use the decimal number system, which has 10 digits, 0 to 9. Converting between decimal and binary is essential, and here is a quick example. By converting numbers into binary, computers can represent and manipulate data efficiently. Data structures and data types. Data structures and data types are fundamental concepts in computer programming. Let's explore some common data types first. Character. This data type represents a single character like A, B, or 5. String. A string is a sequence of characters such as hello world. Boolean. Booleans have two possible values, true or false, representing logical conditions. Integer. An integer is a whole number without a decimal point. Real. Real data types include numbers with decimal points, also known as floating point numbers. Now let's move on to data structures. These are ways to organize and store data in a computer's memory. Here are a number of common data structures. Array. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in a consecutive memory location. Stack. A stack is a data structure that follows the last in first out, or LIFO principle. Think of it as a stack of plates where the last plate you put on is the first you take off. Queue. A queue follows the first in, first out, FIFO principle, just like waiting in line. The first person in line is the first to be served. Trees. Trees are hierarchical structures with a root node and branches. They are often used to represent hierarchical relationships. Linked list. A linked list is a chain of nodes where each node contains data and a reference to the next node. Records. Records store related data fields together like a row in a database table. Decks. Double-ended queues. Decks allow elements to be inserted or removed from both ends. Understanding data structures and data types is crucial for efficient programming and data management. And that wraps up our beginner-friendly exploration of user interface, number systems and conversions, and data structures and data types. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation in these concepts. Remember, learning about computers is an exciting journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates and like this video. Thank you for watching.